Hello, my name is Jonás Zepeda. I am a student of the Automotive Mechanical Engineer degree of the Polytechnic University of the Center. This time we will address the use of the walking or rotary engine. In this exhibition, we will talk about this engine that a few years ago the emblem of the Mazda brand would stop its employment because in the more disadvantage than advantage, but dissemble Mazda and its engineers and committing to bringing back to rotary engine in the car.
You are. My name is Edgar Antonio Pérez Marín, and in this video I will explain about the reintroduction of the rotary engine unique to Mazda Hypan. What is rotary engine? The rotary engine was one of the first types of international combustion engines in which the crankshaft remains stationary and the entire engine rotates around it. The design was widely used in the years before and during World War I to power airplanes and also in some of the air cars and motorcycles. Why was it popular? This engine provides excellent dynamic performance without a serious load and the engine with a low level of vibration. Why is it no longer popular? You could say to owns the international combustion block took of over other personal means of propulsion. Things have changed that much so far, but they did. Sure, in modern dinosaurs use fuel cars, gasoline, diesel, and air als steam engined by glow plugs heaters inside the cylinder chamber. How to apply the engineers agree with the height is their instantaneous response, since there is no delay when pressing the ring pedals. The cost of production is also lower, since manufacturers do not have to make either a turbo or a compressor.
Hello, good morning. My name is Gerardo Mendoza Lopez, and my group is A2. My enrollment is 3271, and my topic is Walker motor and rotary motors. Okay, what is the Wankel engine? The Wankel engine is a type of internal combustion engine, and devices by Felix Wankel and made practical by Walker Fraud functions in the 1950 and 1960. Great efforts were made to develop the Wankel rotary engines. They were especially interesting for running smoothly and quickly. With the three tones, and thanks to the simplicity of the their designs. A rotary engine or Wankel is a internal combustion engines that works in a completely different way than reciprocate engines. Okay, the advantage and disadvantage. Advantage and disadvantage. Sorry. advantage is fewer moving fewer moving parts and smoother running and lower speed, lower vibration, lower weight. Okay, disadvantage is the emissions and maintaining costs, uh, consumptions.
We was the walking engine discounted. The walking engine was no longer complement the different factors. On the baking, the maintenance was complicated than it is oil and the fuel cost and hinder. But the mission and hydro science certain amount of also burned during its operation. When too much oil enters the motors of the Cherokee bus, it is engine with a more complement maintenance. Swiss its components are not designed to work on the frequently. Something that on the other hand is necessary to maintain the tightness of the combustion chambers. For the reason, its maintenance cost is usually higher. We does Mazda want to implement this type of the engine again in its current line. The engineers on the happening run on the are going to resend the concept to use to arrange extender for their series mission vehicles. Of course, they make all obstacle in the world, especially in the take in the outcome on the inclusion of soft and motor means winning saving compared to motor conventional installations. Whether rotary engines and range extension success and not, we will see as the goes be, but company have Mazda very innovating on something that's one has done so far. The theory seems they have unlocked it in the world. Some new we just need to give in details about it and see first account how it works.